Hey guys, it's Taylor Christina and welcome back to my tiny little channel. In today's video, we are doing a whole house clean with me. It's not a deep clean, but there were areas all over the house that just needed to be tidied up, sanitized, stuff like that. So if you are interested and need some cleaning motivation, stay tuned.
I would have told you I miss your smile. I thought of you as a friend who can't let go. When you left, I could feel.
Let's get started. So we're just going to start off in the bedroom, and here I'm just going to strip the bedding, get it nice and clean and ready for the week.
And getting harder. It was never under my control. You know.
Video is the first video that I've posted in a while, and that is because I had house guests. This video was actually filmed before the guests were here, and now that they are gone, I am back in the swing of things and we are back to working on a bunch of house projects. The backyard is almost complete, and as you can see, the door is not back on the laundry room yet, so we still have a ton of work to do.
Let me stay there for a while. I feel it now when I see that smile, like a body of water, seeping through the edges of my soul, and getting harder. It was never under my control, you know.
Down in my office, there are things scattered about, and that is typically what happens after a work week. There's stuff everywhere, all over the desk, and I still have not gotten the organization nailed down in here, so all of this is a work in progress.
Lost and found or gone forever, but this is what you are to me, like a body of water, seeping through the edges of my soul, and getting harder. It was never under my control, you know. Here's to the good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go, and that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt.
My weights somehow ended up in my office. Actually, not somehow, I know exactly. I brought them in here because I have been liking working out on the carpeted floor. It's just been easier on my knees, and honestly, my office has just become like my little happy woman cave. So yeah, probably going to do a lot more in here just to make it more cozy and inviting.
Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go, and that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. to get dressed and then we cry, 'cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best and you know why. You gotta leave me here right now before we make this even worse. It's gonna hurt even more than this does.
Mamas, y'all know the kitchen is constantly being cleaned all day, so this is just another round of cleaning up the kitchen. I loved having the kids home this summer, but I am definitely ready for back to school.
I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just wanna go my own way, gonna let the past burn down, 'cause honestly don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations.
Now moving on to this coffee drink station in the kitchen. It has become my new ledge of death. I've said this before. This is where everything collects, and all the mail, all the random items, they end up here. So I'm just clearing this off and getting it nice and clean.
I'm on my way now. 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 I'll be going away for a while. Oh, and I don't know what I'll find. Maybe I can be a rock star, playing songs on my guitar. I know I have to be somewhere else to be able to find myself. Shouldn't be so complicated. If I listen to my heart, I'm gonna leave it all behind. Find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I'm on my way now.
So we did not pick any of the finishes. Even though this is a new house, we did not pick any of the countertops or the cabinet colors or anything. So one of the things that this kitchen does not have that we definitely want to add is a backsplash. And I've been going back and forth about what color and like which one. If you have any suggestions, please let me know down below. It's like I don't want to do anything too over the top. I do want to keep it simple, but I also want it to be kind of interesting. Let me know what you think. If you have been trying to decide whether or not you were going to spend the $10 on the Scrub Daddy Power Paste, go ahead and do it. It lasts forever. It works really, really well. And the smell is just so, it's subtle, but like fresh. So yeah, definitely try it. Back upstairs we go. I'm going to switch over to laundry, and I am just now getting on this wool ball trend situation and trying it out. I definitely like it for the bedding and like larger items that kind of need some help getting moved around, because you know how you get that spot in the middle of your bedding that is just super damp and the rest of it is dry. So this definitely helps with that. I wouldn't say it speeds up my drying time for regular clothes so significantly that I need to put them in there, but they're cute, you know. Now we're back downstairs in the powder room, which is the bathroom right off of the garage. It is a bathroom, probably the most used bathroom. I don't want it to be that way, but it just is because of where it's located. So it gets a lot of love, meaning it needs to be cleaned very often.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I say
Now we're in the most chaotic room of the house, Ethan's room. So as you can see, I put down that little pad on top of his sheet. That is for just in case he has an accident. He is 4, but he still sometimes, it's like every once in a while he'll have a nighttime accident. And of course he has a nighttime accident like when I'm like super exhausted and cannot be bothered. So stripping all of the bedding at night and like it's a whole thing. So having this is like a little security blanket literally, and all I have to do is just take it off and then change him, and I don't have to change the sheets and stuff. I got it from Target for I think it's like $20. So yeah.
Whoa, no, no, not yet. Whoa. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy. I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy. I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet. Whoa, no, not yet. Whoa, no, no, not yet. Whoa, I'm not gonna wake up. Wide awake is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me, oh.
And after vacuuming my heart out, we are all done. Everything is all reset, ready to go for the week ahead. I am getting back on track with filming and uploading now that our house guests are gone. So please don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more from me, more house updates. And here is Ethan. So I gotta go. See you in the next one. Bye.